I saw at YouTube about many preaching of Dr. Yungetsu, and a lot of this preaching are AI operated. You know what? It's easy to copy the voice of somebody who died. But I listened to Yungetsu many years ago. I received his magazines. He is not preaching the way these people use his name so that they can influence people of their belief and teaching. So don't watch those YouTube about Dr. Yungetsu's preaching. I will show you the title. It's not true. It's used by somebody whose teaching is against the teaching of Christianity. They are only using the name Dr. Yungetsu of South Korea. I listened to Yungetsu. I went to South Korea 1993. I attended his conference. I prayed with him for 1 hour. We knelt down side by side. I really listened to his messages. It's different of what the people are now in the YouTube. That is not the heart of Dr. Yungetsu, really. Don't listen to those videos. It's AI operated.